Before you learn the ins and outs of domains, let's get the simple stuff out of the way first. I'm Emily, this is Darlene, and we're going to explain what a domain name is and how it works.
Domain names are created to make Internet Protocol or IP addresses more human-friendly. An IP address is a set of numbers that's assigned to every computer on the web.
IP addresses work like street addresses. They identify a computer's location on the web and help route information so it can easily travel between computers.
However, IP addresses are unique, longish, and look like rando strings of numbers. Asking a mere mortal to memorize and type in an IP address for every site they want to visit is kinda unrealistic.
This is where domains come in. While computers require IP addresses to locate one another, we humans can use a domain name, say like GoDaddy.com, instead.
The Domain Name System, or DNS, takes these domains like GoDaddy.com and translates them into IP addresses that computers need to communicate.
So instead of 97.24.123.267, we can simply remember GoDaddy.com instead. Much easier, right?
When someone enters your domain name into a web browser, the browser then uses your domain name to find the correct IP address and passes back the website associated with it.
Loosely speaking, think of domain names like contacts on your phone. Typing a domain name into a browser is just like tapping a contact's name in your phone.
Your phone then automatically dials the number associated with that contact, similar to the way DNS converts your domain name into an IP address.
Your service provider uses the phone number to connect to your contact's phone, just like IP addresses are connecting computers across the internet.
You don't need to know where the person you're calling is physically located or even their phone number at this point. All you do is tap the contact's name and your phone does the rest.
Now you know what a domain name is. Thanks for watching.